Just as we're approaching spring, Sydney's property market is actually really stable right now and also showing signs of improving. Auction clearance rates right now are actually really good. We're showing for the last 3 to 4 months auction clearance rates of 60% to 80%, which is really healthy. In a bad market, you can expect 40% or below. Now, interest rates, the lowest they've ever been in Australian history for the last 6 years. And even so, we've had 2 recent drops in interest rates. So great time to be buying property. We're at the bottom now of the next property cycle. Prices right now are very fair. TJ, over to you.
Thanks, Joe. Now the election's over, we're seeing a lot more buyer activity and buyer confidence. Lending restrictions have changed, which means loans are getting approved, more activity in the marketplace, which is all positive signs. We're seeing that we are, like you said, at the bottom of the property cycle. So if you are looking to purchase a property, now is the best time, because if you want to maximize that long-term capital growth, this is a great opportunity.
What advice do you have for landlords?
The rental market has been slower than previous years. However, it's not all bad news. We can still find you a good tenant if you price the property correctly and use professional marketing. Our leasing team has been very busy leasing out properties, but we could do with a bit more, so feel free to give us a call. Over to you, Joe.
So, if you're looking at buying a property, now is such a good time of the market to be buying property. If you're a property investor, it's important to have a great team behind you. A team that is really a top performing team and that can really get shit done. If there's anything that we can't do, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help. Until the next market update.
See you guys.